Arno, there are a few more questions, I think.
Yes, we actually have a couple of more questions. I'm quite sure that you'll be also able to answer them after the session. I have one personal question actually from myself to Stefan Rink of AM Flow. I really like your solution, very high degree of automation, which is, I'm convinced, absolutely what the industry needs and in order to get to mass manufacturing. My question is, who are today your typical customers? So who would need such a high degree of automation at the moment? Who are you targeting with this product?
We are targeting both service providers. I think it's Open Door over there. Hey, they have high mix and high volume on a daily basis. What we were surprised to notice actually is that also the big contract manufacturers and the application manufacturers, like for instance we have Materialize but also BMW as one of our early customers, that they also produce high mix on daily basis. And the reason is actually the really short lead time. So if you want, and especially if you have internal design processes, you want to have your designs as quickly as possible, then inevitably makes that you have high mix on daily basis. So we see that actually at the big companies, but also the smaller and the mid-sized service providers. And we are really happy to also see solutions at Formnext presented, like for instance collaboration between several big companies on the automated cleaning. Because the next step after cleaning is actually identification of your parts coming out of cleaning. And then you have obviously internal transport and packaging. So if we want to enable lights out factories in additive manufacturing, we need to all do it together. And in that sense, it's nice that we are challenged as startups, but I also think that we as startups are challenging the industry and saying, hey guys, what do we need to do to take it to the next level? Are we able and willing to challenge, for instance, the cost price level of injection molding with additive manufacturing? And if we can get there, then we really make that sustainable promise true. Right now, I think if you look at metals and plastics, we are only producing with AM only 1% of the total manufacturing volume globally. If you want to make that 30-40% produced locally, then we need to get to those lights out factories and that distributed manufacturing. But we need each other over here. So it's really collaboration on all components here.
Great. Thank you so much. Unfortunately, we run out of time, but it doesn't matter at all because we have all the questions here for you. You will be able to answer them directly to the ones that have asked them. And I really invite you to get in touch with the people addressing you because this is what this fair and this Formnext Connect format is all about. Thank you all again. Congratulations again for winning this startup challenge. Well deserved. Yeah, there we see the prize. Fully functional, I hope. Thank you so much. Good luck with the future. Hope to report next year about your success story. Would be great. Thank you so much. Good luck. Bye-bye, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.